Good morning children, welcome to the class. Today let us discuss about an important topic in mathematics named trigonometry. Trigonometry is a very interesting and amazing field of mathematics. Have you ever think about the height of Everest? How we measure that? How we measure the distance between Earth and Moon, the distance between Earth and Sun, the distance between any two planets. We cannot measure the height of the mountain, height of the Mount Everest, or the distance between Earth and Moon using a tape or scale. Then how we measure? We measure it using trigonometry, trigonometric principles, trigonometric ratios. Okay. In this video, we discuss about what is trigonometry, naming the sides of a right angled triangle, and trigonometric ratios. These are the basics of trigonometry. So we learn all these basics in this video. Okay. First of all, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the angles and sides of a right angled triangle. Okay. Let us consider a right angled triangle ABC. Now, how many sides are there in this triangle? There are three sides. One is AB and another one is BC and another one is AC. So, three sides are there. How many angles are there? Here are three angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Three angles are there. What can you say about the angles? So, angle B is a right angle. So, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. These A and C are acute angles. So, these are less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. Now, what can you say about these sides? In this triangle, opposite side to the right angle is called hypotenuse. We know this one. So, AC is hypotenuse. What we call AC? AC is hypotenuse. Which is opposite to the 90 degrees. So, angle B is 90 degrees and opposite to this is AC and this side is called hypotenuse. So, this is the longest side. There are three sides and there are three angles, and one angle is 90 degrees and other two are acute angles, and one of the side is called hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, and that hypotenuse is the longest side. Now, by considering the other two angles, let us name the sides of the right angled triangle. Consider angle C. For C, for this angle, opposite side is AB. And what is BC? Adjacent side. What we call that as adjacent side. What is the adjacent side here? Adjacent side is BC. With respect to C, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Okay. And AC is the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the angle 90 degrees. Okay. Now let us consider the angle A. So with respect to A, what are the opposite angles? Consider angle A. So with respect to A, opposite to angle A, opposite side to angle A. What is the opposite? Opposite is BC. So, side BC is opposite. Side BC is opposite side for A, angle A. And what is AB? AB is adjacent to this. So, AB is adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB. So, adjacent side is AB with respect to angle A. Okay. This is very, very important. We have to keep in mind. So, with respect to A, opposite is BC, adjacent is AB. And with respect to C, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC or CB. Okay. Now we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios. So these trigonometric ratios are the pillars for the trigonometry, to study trigonometry. Now let us consider a right angled triangle. We know that the opposite side to the right angle is hypotenuse. Let us consider one angle, any angle. Let us take this angle as theta. What are the trigonometric ratios? The trigonometric ratios are nothing but the ratios between the sides of the triangle. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 sides are there. So among these 3 sides, how many ratios we can form? Let us consider the ratios. Side AB by AC, hypotenuse AC, 1. And second ratio. So the ratio between AB and hypotenuse. And now let us consider the ratio between BC and hypotenuse. The side BC and hypotenuse. So this ratio is over and this ratio is over. So now let us write this ratio between these two. So third ratio is nothing but AB, side AB by side BC. Okay, these 3 are our very, very important ratios. Now let us write what are these, what are the names of these sides with respect to theta. Okay, what are the names of the sides with respect to theta? So for theta, AB is opposite side. AB is opposite side. Okay, so AB is called opposite side, and AC, what we call AC? AC is hypotenuse. Okay, and now for BC by AC, what are the names of BC? BC with respect to theta, with respect to theta, it is very side by side, so it is adjacent angle, adjacent side. So adjacent side, adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now let us consider these two sides. AB, what is AB? AB with respect to theta, AB is opposite side, and what is BC? BC is adjacent side. Adjacent side with respect to theta. So these are very, very important ratios of the trigonometry. These are the pillars like structures, pillars like formulas for our trigonometry. We are naming these 3 ratios. This is called sine, sin is sine theta, because we are considering as theta. This is the value of theta. So sine theta, or simply we can write sine theta. Okay. And this is called cos theta. And this is called tangent theta or tan theta. So these are the very, very important ratios which we have to practice them. We have to practice all these things. We have to practice this total trigonometric ratios. This should be always in mind. Just if we learn these only, we can crack the trigonometric total chapter. Within seconds or within minutes, within seconds we can solve, we can understand the problem, we can solve the problem. But when we have to remember these things. Opposite side by hypotenuse gives us sine theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse we get cos theta. Opposite side by adjacent side we get tan theta. Like this we have to remember. We have to keep in mind these 3 ratios. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse gives us sine theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse gives us cos theta. Opposite side by adjacent side gives us tan theta. We have to learn all these 3 things. These are the three main ratios of the trigonometry. There are three more ratios. We can write depending upon these three. Okay. So the reciprocal of this sin theta is called cosecant theta. Okay. And the reciprocal of cos theta is called sec theta. The reciprocal of tan theta is called cot theta. I will write all those things now once again. Okay, sin theta. So reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is called cosec theta. What we call that as cosec theta. And 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is 1 by cos theta, and which is called sec theta. Which is called sec theta. And reciprocal of tan theta, which is 1 by tan theta, gives us cot theta. Okay? Cot theta. These 6 ratios, you have to learn them. You have to practice them. You have to practice. There is no short way, short trick to remember this. Practice only makes maths easy. Okay? You have to practice these very well. See, the sin theta. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, and reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So we can write according to the sides. So how we write? Hypotenuse by opposite side gives us cosec theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Let us write O. Okay. Hypotenuse by opposite side gives us cosec theta. And what gives sec theta? Sec theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay. And for tan theta, what is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. And cot theta, in reverse we write adjacent side by opposite side. Okay. Like this we have to remember all these 6 trigonometric ratios, which are the pillars for the trigonometry. So we have to learn them, we have to practice them. Okay.